Hey everyone, if you're just graduated and not sure how to make your LinkedIn shine, here are the 5 quick tips to build a professional profile, even with zero experience. First is use a clear, friendly profile photo. Wear simple, professional clothing, use a plain background, and smile naturally. 2 is to write a strong headline. Skip unemployed or recent graduate. Instead, add aspiring UX designer, skilled in Figma and Adobe XD, business graduate, Excel, Google Sheets, market research. Those are the strong headline. Third is craft a compelling summary. Highlight your degree, passion, and what you are looking for. Like, for example, market graduate passionate about digital strategy, seeking entry level roles in SEO and social media. Fourth is to add projects, internships, and volunteering. Even classroom work counts, group projects, freelance gigs, and campus leadership roles. Fifth is request endorsement or recommendations. Ask professors, peers, or internship mentors to vouch for your skills. Those are the 5 tips that I could recommend for the fresh graduates in order for you to stand out with no experience. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.